Hello everyone, welcome to part 169 of Laravel 10 series in which we're creating the e-commerce website. So we will continue working on integrating PayPal payment gateway in our Laravel 10 e-commerce website. And first of all, we are going to download one file from the SiteMakers.in. Okay, so I'm going to close the links that okay, so let's close these links that we have opened in the last video. Okay, so here I'm going to open the SiteMakers.in website, and from here you can see that you can click on download, and you can see that you able to download the PayPal controller that will help us to integrate the PayPal payment gateway very easily in Laravel website. Okay, you can click here, log into download, and after clicking here, then you need to give the username and password to log in, and those username and password you can easily get by following these 5 steps that you can find in the video description as well. Okay, so these are the simple steps that you have taken earlier as well. If you have already taken these steps, then you are not required to take these steps again. Okay, you can see that file is already added in your SiteMakers account. Okay, so if you are new user, then you must take these steps, and if you are a multi-vendor user as well, then again you need to take these steps. Okay, then you can do these steps with your other account as well. Okay, give 5-star rating at this one, give 5-star rating for the app as well, whether you are having the Android or iPhone. Install and give rating, and like Facebook page, join Facebook group, and like and comment on this Laravel 10 video. Okay, and just take the screenshots while you are doing these steps, and just send to this email id stackdevelopers2@gmail.com. Okay, you will then get the credentials to download the PayPal controller. Not only PayPal controller, but you will get the free other things as well: free HTML template, free scripts like the filters.js file for the filters. Okay, and lot more content. From time to time you are able to download that free content. Okay, so let's come back here. I'm already having, so I'm going to log in here, and we are going to download. Click on download, and we'll download this file. Click here to download. Okay, you will get the zip file, and here you can go here the downloads and can find this zip file. Okay, you just require to unzip, and you will see this file, PayPal controller. Okay, just open this controller file. See, we are already having the PayPal controller file. Just we are going to add the content from that file. Okay, so this is the PayPal controller file that we have created in the last video. So don't replace, just open this file, and from here we can able to add the things from there. Okay, like we are going to see request order session. So this thing we're going to copy and we'll add here. And other than this PayPal function is already there, but this one is not there. I'm going to copy this one as well. After this I'm going to add this script here, and after this I'm going to add here this pay function, success function, and error function. I'm going to copy these three and we'll paste it here after this one. Okay, only this thing you are required to do, so it will save your time. Then we can continue with our other things that are required. But before continue further, we are required to create this Sandbox account. Okay, create a Sandbox PayPal account. Here you can search this Sandbox PayPal account. So you can click on this one, Sandbox account, and from here you can click on login. And here if you have no Sandbox account, then click on sign up. Okay, after clicking on sign up, see, click on sign up once again, and here this one, let me see, uh, let open the another link, developer.paypal.com. Open this one link, developer.paypal.com, and here in this link, yeah, now we are going to click on login and click on sign up once again. Okay, so you can create the business account from here. Okay, create a new PayPal business account from here. See, we have taken these steps lot of times, and I'm going to share this video in the video description as well. Just you are required to create this business account after adding all the required details. Okay, so you are just required to add all the details. I am already having the business account, so I'm not going to create the business account, but you can create the business account. Okay, so that you can get the payments for your business. Okay, so I'm already having the business account. I'm just going to now log into my business account. I'm going to see here, going to open this one, developer.paypal.com, and then click on login. And here I'm going to log in with my business account that I have already created, this one, and click on login now. Okay, so let's log in first and then see. So we you are required to click here. You can see the sandbox as well as live. So we will now first use the sandbox. We can make it live later on. Whenever we want to make it live, we can make it live anytime, but right now we will keep it as sandbox, and we'll click on apps and credentials. So we are, see, you can see some of the accounts are already there, but I'm going to create the new account for you. Okay, so create app. So click on this create app, sorry, new app for you. Okay, I'm going to create new app. So here I'm going to make it like SiteMakers. Okay, so merchant, I'm going to select the merchant and US account. Click on create app. So it will take few seconds. So here you can you will get the credentials. So these credentials we are going to put in our e-commerce website. Open the .env file, and here at the bottom I'm going to add all these credentials. First one is the PayPal client ID. I'm going to make it like the PayPal client ID. Okay, you are going to, you can see this one here as well. Okay, PayPal client, just copy this one and paste here so that no mistake will happen. Okay, and this one is the client ID. Copy from here, paste here. Okay, so now next one is copy from here, PayPal client secret, paste here, equal to, and copy from here, this one is secret, and paste here. Okay, so this one is the client ID as well as the secret key. And now see, after this we will also add here that PayPal currency as well. Okay, so it's not there, but we will add here PayPal currency. We are going to add the USD so that it will support the global payment. Okay, so USD is for the global payment. It will work in all the countries, in almost all the countries. Okay, so now after this step, uh, so I'm going to create few more routes, and that I'm going to create in web.php file. But here in PayPal controller you can see that we have got, after downloading the file, you can see that we have the success function, we have the error function. So every code is written over there. So we need to work less now. Okay, and in web.php file, here we are going to add the other route for the success as well as the error. Okay, so I'm going to add here route, sorry, route, get route we're going to add for success. Paper controller at the rate of success, and also we're going to add the uh, error route as well for fail payment gateways, like this. Okay, so we are going to try once. I'm going to refresh here, and we'll see if it will work. But before that, one more thing we are required to do. See, we have created this one, but now we will create the Sandbox testing account as well. Okay, so that we can test our PayPal payment gateway. And what I'm going to do, a few more things I'm going to add here. Login with PayPal, and view your PayPal transaction history. Transaction history also we require. Okay, And other than this, if anything, save changes, click on save changes. Okay, and we also require that see, click on back as well, and we require the here you can see Sandbox accounts. Okay, we require the Sandbox account as well. Okay, you can create the Sandbox account from here. Create account. Okay, click on create account, then you can able to create the Sandbox account for making the payment. Okay, and like this one. Okay, so you can create the personal and business account for making the payment in the PayPal. Okay, so that we can make the payment and complete the payment. Here you can see that we have these accounts. So let's first try what happened. And so I'm going to click on this one, pay with PayPal link, and we are going to see the PayPal payment gateway comes or not. Okay, click on this link, and here let's click and see PayPal payment gateway. Yes, PayPal payment gateway is coming now. Okay, you can see the PayPal with pay with PayPal is coming, and also the option pay with credit or debit card is coming. We can click on pay or pay with credit or debit card. Okay, and here you can see the complete form is now we able to see the amount is translated as well. Okay, it is translated to USD. It is $6.75, and here you can see the complete form has also come up. Okay, but we are see from here you can able to make the payment, but we are going to log in with PayPal account, because we will get the dummy PayPal account to check the this transaction. Okay, so I'm going I can create even the new account. I'm going to create the new account, new personal account. Create I'm going to create this personal account, and see the Sandbox account was created successfully. So these are the personal account that we can use. Earlier as well I have used I have the accounts. Okay, so and one more thing you can do here, just you can change the password here, because we don't know the password. So we can change the password for this account as well. Okay, so uh, I'm going to change the password. So I have updated this password. We updated your password for this Sandbox account successfully. Okay, so now I'm going to log in to my account, to my PayPal account. Okay, by using this account. So I'm going to copy this one. We'll paste here, and going to give my password as well. So let's see. Let's click on login. See, we able to log in now, and here you can see the balance is also there. Pay with this one, pay with this balance. Okay, and here we are going to see, we are going to now continue to review order. Click on continue to review order. Okay, payment is successful, your transaction ID is this one. So we finally able to make the payment with PayPal. Okay, so the now we will work on the success as well as the failure of the payment, so that we can able to update in the admin panel as well. If the payment is successful, then we will also send the email to the user, and also we are going to update in the admin panel as well with payment captured or paid status, that we are going to update in the admin panel. See, right now we have not updated, though we have made the payment, though user have made the payment, but we have not updated here so far. You can see it is still pending because we have not updated it. Okay, so there are few of the things that we are going to update the success as well as its cancel functions. Okay, so that we are going to do in the next video. Also we are going to send the order email as well. Okay, and also we are going to empty the card once the payment is successful. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.